Hey everyone, this is Grace from Kapwing, and I've got a trend alert for you today. This one is the dramatic moments trend on TikTok, where creators are adding the BGC drama effect sound to make videos that look a little bit like this.
Parents be like, the bug is more scared of you than you are of it. Did the bug tell you that? Cause last time I checked, that spider's moving 10 miles per hour at me, and it looks like it wants all of the smoke.
In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use the sound and add it to your videos on the platform, as well as how to make a video for this trend off of TikTok, which allows you to add the optional red filter to your video, in addition to giving you the freedom of posting your video wherever you want. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with all the trend alerts we put out every week, and now let's get started. The first step is to actually film your video. So figure out what you want to say for the dramatic moment, and you can look at other examples on TikTok and then film it. So I did this in my camera on my phone, which you can do as well, or if you want to do it on TikTok itself, you want to make sure that you're not going through the page where you use this sound. If you go through this page, you won't be able to hear anything that you're saying, and you can't adjust your original sound. What you want to do is first favorite the sound and then add it to your video in TikTok. So go to the search bar and search BGC drama effect. Click one of the first videos and it should have the sound on it. So click the little spinning circle icon in the bottom right corner, and that will take you to the actual sound. So every single video that's used that sound from the TikTok. You want to click add to favorites under the title of the sound. Now go back all the way to the regular TikTok page, click the plus button at the very bottom, and this is where you can start recording your sound by pressing the red button, or just upload your recorded video already. So I'm gonna just upload because I had done it in my camera. You can trim down to the part of the video you want, then click next. And now this is the page where you add the BGC sound effect. So go to sounds, click your favorites since you just favorited it, and then click the BGC drama effect. And now it should be on your video, in addition to your voice. Now you can click the volume tab to adjust the added sound track versus your original volume. And then a lot of people have also been adding text boxes to transcribe what they're saying. So you can just click text, add your text, make any other edits you want, and then click next. And at this point, this is your regular TikTok publishing page. Add your description, hashtags, and other features, and then you can post it. Now, some of the videos that have been made as part of this trend have a red filter that comes in at the part where it's dramatic towards the end. So if you want to add a filter like that, you can do that using our online video editor called Kapwing. And we have a template that has the sound already on the template. So all you have to do is upload your clips and edit them, and the sound is already there. You can add the red filter and then have the freedom of posting it wherever you want without a TikTok watermark. Click the first link in the description below to get to the template with the sound. And once you get to the template, just start by clicking make it. You're taken into our editor here, and the sound is already attached up above in the edit audio tab. This is just a stock photo that you can click delete on, and then start by uploading your actual clips. So I'm gonna click to upload, and this was the clip I filmed in the very first step of the process. One thing you might wanna do is trim your clips down. So I'm gonna split the first part of the video off, which is the part where I'm not saying anything, by clicking to the place I want and then clicking the clip and clicking split here. Then I'm gonna delete this by right-clicking and ripple deleting, which makes it delete and then moves the whole video forward. So that's an easy way to trim your video. You can also trim the ends by dragging down. If you want to adjust the volume of the original clip in addition to the sound effect, go to the edit audio tab and then click adjust volume here. And you'll have these two bars. The audio track is the actual sound effect that you can move down or up depending on what you want. And then when you're done, you can click done. You can even just remove the sound completely and add your own sound. Now, if you want to add the red filter that a lot of the videos have, you can do this easily by going to the Elements tab and just making a rectangle overlay and changing that overlay to the color red. So make sure it fits the whole video. Make the fill color this red or whatever color you want, and make the outline be no outline. and then subtract from the opacity here. And this adjusts how red you want your video to be. Then you'll want to change when in the video the red tint starts. So usually people start it once the beat kind of like changes around 4.5 seconds here. So to do that, just drag down the rectangle layer to that point in the video, and you can rewatch this section of the video to make sure that's exactly what you want. Now, if you want to add text overlays like for the subtitles, you can do that using these text boxes and timing them out in the timeline and adding their text manually. But an easy way to add the subtitles is just using our auto subtitler. So click subtitles in the top, and then you can click auto generate and auto generate them. You can also translate them into another language. After your subtitles are done loading, they will appear like this, where you have the line of subtitles and the time it will be on the screen. You can drag the purple bars down. You can also edit the actual text inside here to make sure it's exactly what you're saying, or add punctuation or whatever. And then you can adjust how they appear on the screen. The font that looks most like the TikTok font to me is Montserrat, so I would recommend that. Once you're happy with your subtitles, click done here. Feel free to make any other edits you want and rewatch the video to make sure it is looking how you would like it. And then once you are ready to finish up and download the final product, first click this red export video button. Your video project will load for a few moments, and then your project will be done. If you see a small watermark in the corner here, you can remove that for free just by signing into a Kapwing account, and there should be a button up here to do that. And then to save your video, just click download, and then you can always go back and edit your video.
They always say a picture is worth 1,000 words. But then how much is a video worth? Is it just frames per second multiplied by 1,000? That's a lot of words.
Thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel so we can keep you up to date with all of TikTok's trends and video creator trends. Let us know if you have any other feedback or questions in the comments below, and we will see you in the next video.